Mark Rober is an American YouTuber, engineer, and inventor. He is known for his YouTube videos on popular science, do-it-yourself gadgets and creative ideas. Several of his videos have gone viral, including a digital Halloween costume and a trap for package thieves that releases a fountain of ultra-fine glitter. Prior to YouTube, Rober was an engineer with NASA, where he spent 7 years working on the Curiosity rover at NASA's Jet Propulsion laboratory. He later worked for 4 years at Apple Incorporated as a product designer in their Special Projects group, where he authored patents involving virtual reality and self-driving cars. In October 2019, Rober was integral in launching the environmental fundraiser Team Trees alongside YouTuber MrBeast. Rober grew up in Orange County, California. As a kid, he began tinkering with engineering, including making a pair of goggles that helped avoid tears while cutting onions. He earned a mechanical engineering degree from Brigham Young University and a master's degree from the University of Southern California. Rober joined NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in 2004. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.